Hey guys, so you probably realized my last few episodes I've been doing a lot of monitor reviews recently. And yeah, this is no different. This is a monitor that I'm particularly excited about. This is the SuperSolid XG340R. It's a brand new monitor released by SuperSolid. And yeah, they sent it over to me, asked me to take a look. So yeah, but we're gonna split this into two videos. We're gonna do an unboxing first, and then I'm gonna spend about maybe a week with this monitor doing some tests, like what I do with all my other gaming monitors, and then I'll give my conclusion in another episode, maybe in about a week's time from when you're seeing this. All right, so yeah, let's get started. All right, got my trusty cutter. Let's open this up. And yeah, so this actually just arrived yesterday. So that's why I can't do the entire review. I'm just doing the unboxing right now because I'm so excited. All right, so we've got the leg. Wow, it's a pretty long leg. I guess the monitor must be pretty heavy. Let's put it down here. By the way, so this is, yeah, like the model name XG340R. It's a 34-inch monitor, but it's actually an ultra-wide. All right, so it's a 21 by 9-inch monitor with a, what they call it, 15R or 15,000R? 1500R. So 1500R, that's the curvature of the screen. Oh, wow, they've really chucked everything into this. So let's just see what's inside. Okay, regular power cable. Display port, screws here, probably to screw the base to the back of the monitor. Alright, so this is a, I thought they already gave me a display port cable. So this is a HDMI. So wow, I think this is the first time that a monitor that I'm reviewing comes with both a HDMI cable and a DisplayPort cable. Cool. But I mean, okay, just to let you guys know, in case you don't know this, if you bought this for FreeSync, don't use the HDMI cable, alright? It only works with DisplayPort. Okay, I've got a bunch of L brackets. Okay, honestly, I don't know why, but we'll see soon enough, I'm sure. Okay, so you've got the back here. So this is the back that goes with the base for sure. And oh, it's got a red. Okay, so it's a bit fancy in terms of design. What is this? Oh, okay, so it has a little guessing. Okay, my guess would be it's for placing your headphones, maybe? Yeah, so I think it's a headphone holder. So wow, very nice touch, SuperSolid. I don't think I've seen this on any, yeah. Okay, I've definitely not reviewed a monitor that had this, but I can't think of any monitor that does have this. So pretty cool. All right, so let's remove the panel itself. I'm gonna bring this down. Okay, so we've had to rearrange the camera and all that because in the earlier one, you couldn't see the monitor. So now I'm gonna sit down. Okay, so but anyway, so let's move this. Cool. Okay, looking at this, I'm gonna guess that this is lit or has a light. I'm not sure if it's RGB. We will need to turn it on to see. But yeah, I'm pretty sure because it looks like it has lights. My guess is that it's only going to be red because you have this. But who knows, maybe we can turn color or you can change color, but we'll see later on. Let's see, I'm guessing I have to press this and take this off. Yep. Okay, so, yes, okay, it does have a VESA mount. I think this is 75 by 75, not 100 by 100, right? But I'll confirm that in a minute. Okay, so it has 3 HDMI ports, 1 display port, and your audio port. And by the way, before we continue, I mean, this is like the 3rd or 4th gaming monitor that I've reviewed, and I always never talk about the audio. And it's not that I forget, I just don't really care. I mean, if you have a gaming setup, if you can buy a gaming monitor, why on earth would you use the audio from it? But I mean, okay, it does have it. I'll see whether I want to test the audio out, but yeah, it doesn't really matter to me anyway. But yeah, so it has it if you need it. It's not, but I would highly recommend if you've got a gaming setup, please buy speakers. Even a cheap speaker will probably sound better than this. But anyway, back to this. All right, 3 HDMI ports, 1 display port, and your audio. And it is quite heavy. But I think it's around the same height. Same weight as the other 34-inch that I reviewed before. It's got the branding here, SuperSolid XG340R. You would probably have to look really closely before you see it. It's not like shiny and in your face. So if you like that, then yeah, cool. So as you can see, obviously it's curved. Okay, but let's move on. Let's put the stand on. Oh, okay, I think I used the wrong screw. And this is why you always use the manual. So before I set up, looking at the content. So just now I saw these like L brackets and I wasn't sure what they were. These are actually for wall mounting, so that's pretty cool. So it has wall mount. And there are 4 of these small screws. They're also for that. So yeah, okay. So let's set up the back one first. So you have to remove this and then put the screw in from there and then hook it on. Okay, so I'm a little stuck here at the moment. I have to admit the user manual is a little confusing. So if you look at the user manual, it says it comes with 4 screws, another 4 for wall mounting. Okay, I'm just going to focus on these 2. Now, there's no indication of whether it's a different size or anything. Now, they do mention that extra screws may be included as a backup. But if you look at the screws, okay, so I've got 4 longer ones. There are these 2 short ones. There's one more here that I've already put in. So there are 3 of these. Now these 4, I'm going to assume are for the wall mounts. Already this doesn't add up. And it says I'm supposed to use 3 screws for the bottom base, which I can see 3 screw holes. Another 2 for here, but they don't say whether it's this screw or this screw. And these 2 are very, very different. So I'm not so sure how I'm supposed to do this, but I'll guess I'll have to do it by trial and error, which is going to be a bit annoying. But okay, so I finally figured it out. I haven't actually fixed it, but I figured it out. So I called the guys at Dreamcore because yeah, the instructions weren't that clear, but they explained it to me very well. So basically, the screws here, these 4 long ones are actually the ones for mounting to the wall. All right, these 3 are to mount the leg to the stand. Yeah, these ones with the washers connect the back of the monitor to the stand, okay? So yeah, so I did give some feedback to Dreamcore regarding this and kudos to them. They said, yeah, they're going to take care of it. So if you do get this monitor, there will be some better instructions, or at least they will advise you accordingly. But anyway, you saw it here. So now you know how to fix it. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so we've got it up. Here it is. Don't mind the fingerprints, that was me setting it up. Yeah, it looks nice. It's not particularly outstanding in terms of design. It's pretty straightforward, which, by the way, if you see my other videos, I quite like that. The funny thing is, a lot of the design emphasis has actually gone to the back. So this is how it looks like from the back. All right. So it's weird if you think about it in the sense that you can design the back, but then no one's gonna see it anyway. So yeah, there's probably gonna be lights here and I'll test that out during the actual review, but for now it's just an unboxing. But this is one thing that I particularly like. So this, yeah, and I did confirm this is actually a headphone holder. So if you've got your gaming gear, your headphone, when you're done, just put it at the back, it stays there. So really nice touch. I haven't seen any monitor, or at least I haven't reviewed any monitor that has this so far. But overall design looks really good. I quite like it. Very quick talk about the specifications. So this is in ultrawide, like I said, 21 by 9 aspect ratio. So the resolution of this is 3440 by 1440p, so it's technically a QHD screen. From the curve you can see, so it's 1500R, that's the measurement for the curvature of the screen. It has AMD FreeSync, it's at 100 Hz. Might not be one of the highest, but like I've mentioned in all my other ultrawide monitor reviews, sometimes you don't actually need something that high because you're talking about technically a 2K screen. How many games are you going to be playing that's going to go more than that apart from your esports games? But more on that in the actual review. VA panels have come a long way, so I'm expecting color reproduction on this to be actually pretty good. I don't know anything about the response time. I'm going to assume it's about 8 to 6 milliseconds, but we'll know more later. But anyway, overall impression looks pretty good. This is actually on sale right now. It was launched during Comex in Singapore just a few weeks ago. And right now, I believe they are selling it for about $599, which I think at the moment might be the cheapest ultrawide available, cheapest 21:9 ultrawide available at this screen size. For the full review, it's going to come out in about a week's time. But do check out that review when it comes out, because actually I've been speaking to Dreamcore and we're going to work out some sort of like a little promo. So when you check out our next video, we're going to have a very special offer for you guys, alright? But we'll know more on that video, alright? But so, yep, that's about wraps up this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know if you like this unboxing in one video and the review in another, or you prefer to have both of them in the same video. I'm just trying different things out, so do let me know. So if you like this video, you know what to do. And I would love it if you would subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on our next videos. I'm JP, and I'll see you real soon.